Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you two different ways to eject a disc from your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I have this Blu-ray DVD that I'm going to insert into my PlayStation 5. And it's very easy to eject a disc once it's in. Now, there's a physical button on the disc version of the PlayStation 5. Here's the power button to the left, towards the end of the console. And then the inner button is the eject button. So if we press this, the disc should eject. And it will pop out at the bottom here. So here's my disc. Then you can also do it on the PlayStation 5 using a controller. So here is my Blu-ray disc on my PlayStation 5. If I go over to the game or the actual movie, all I have to do is select the options button on it, and then we have an option to eject the disc. Selected right here. And we'll pop it out from the PlayStation. Once again, just like pressing the eject button. So it's very easy to do. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.